The gut-brain axis. How your gut microbiota influences stress, mood, and mental health. What is the gut-brain axis? The gut-brain axis, sometimes called GBA, is the communication network between the gut and the brain. This connection works both ways, meaning the gut affects the brain and the brain affects the gut. The primary link between them is the nervous system, specifically the vagus nerve, which transmits information back and forth. The gut and its microorganisms. The gut, also called the gastrointestinal tract, is a long flexible tube that runs all the way from your mouth to your anus, the whole digestive tract. It processes food, absorbs nutrients, and removes wastes. But the gut is more than just the digestive system. It also houses trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, and viruses. These microorganisms play a key role in gut health. The term gut microbiota refers to the collection of these living microorganisms, while the gut microbiome refers to their genetic material. When these microbes are balanced, your gut functions well. This is also called gut microbiota symbiosis, so it's working well and in balance. However, when there's an imbalance, for example, too many harmful bacteria and not enough of the beneficial ones, it's called gut microbiota dysbiosis, or that it's out of balance. So, how does the gut-brain axis affect mental health? Well, scientists are discovering that gut health impacts mood, stress, and overall mental well-being. Here are some examples of how. 1. The nervous system connection. The enteric nervous system, the network of nerves in the gut, sometimes gets called the second brain. It communicates with the central nervous system through the vagus nerve. About 80 to 90% of the nerve fibers in the vagus nerve send signals from the gut to the brain, influencing emotions, stress responses, and even cognitive function. 2. Gut microbiota and stress. Studies show that an imbalanced gut microbiota can increase stress and anxiety. In research with germ-free animals, so those raised without gut bacteria, scientists found heightened stress responses compared to animals with a healthy gut microbiota. This suggests that gut bacteria help regulate the body's response to stress. 3. Gut health and psychological disorders. Scientists have also compared gut microbiota in healthy individuals and those with mental health conditions. Findings indicate that people with depression, anxiety, and even neurodevelopmental disorders such as autism often have different gut microbiota compositions. Some research even suggests that introducing beneficial bacteria or probiotics can help improve mood and stress resilience. Some examples of the gut-brain connection in action. Food cravings and mood. The gut produces neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which influences our mood. About 90% of serotonin, or the feel-good hormone, is made in the gut. Another example is irritable bowel syndrome, sometimes called IBS, and anxiety. Many people with IBS experience anxiety or depression, if not both. This highlights the strong link between digestive health and mental well-being. Another example are probiotics and mental health. Some studies suggest that probiotics found in food like yogurt and fermented vegetables can reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression by restoring gut microbiota balance. So, why does understanding the gut-brain axis matter? Knowing how your gut and brain interact can help you take control of your health. Balanced gut microbiota can improve digestion, enhance mood, and reduce stress. Ways to support your gut health include eating a diet rich in fibre, prebiotics and probiotics, although I do recommend talking to a doctor to see what's right for you. Managing stress through exercise, meditation or deep breathing, and avoiding excessive processed foods, and antibiotics when they're not necessary. The gut-brain axis is an exciting area of research that shows how deeply our digestive system affects our mental health. Effectively, taking care of your gut means taking care of your mind. As science continues to uncover more about this connection, we may be able to find new ways to improve mental health through gut-friendly habits.